Hi, my name's Chef Eric. I'm here supported by the Cancer Fighters, and we're going to make a smoothie recipe for you today. This is a apricot pineapple smoothie, something very simple to make at home. We're actually even going to make using an immersion blender that you can buy pretty much at any Walmart or any other store, Walgreens. Most people have these in their home already. So that's why we're using that. Now, if you have a big Vitamixer and you like to make your smoothies in there, you're more than happy to. But for me, the quicker to clean up, the better. So that's why we're using this. The apricot is the featured ingredient here in the smoothie. It really helps to support fighting against a lot of diseases in your body. So apricots are really good for you. And we're using other fresh fruits as well. So anyways, so what we like to do is we like to add frozen fruit. So like the strawberries, frozen. I know a lot of people are going to argue and say, why don't you use fresh? Well, the frozen part helps keep your smoothie nice and cold, and you don't have to add a lot of ice. Okay, so we're going to add those first. And then we have some fresh pineapple. You can also use crushed pineapple. The recipe on the website says crushed. It's all up to you. Crushed usually is a little bit sweeter, but it's basically on your palate and how you want to make it. The beauty of a smoothie is you can make it however you want because it's your smoothie, okay? Then we have the diced apricots. And then we're going to add a half a banana. Now you can see it's not a pretty banana, but that's when they taste the best. So that's why we go with this type of a banana. And then we have about a half a cup or a cup and a half of skim milk. Now instead of milk, you can use a lot of other products. You can use a lot of energy, like high protein drinks, some of the shakes that you can buy at the stores. For here, as we treat a lot of different diseases here, we like to use the Rockin' Fuel, which adds a lot of protein. Most of our clientele here, they need a lot more protein than they're getting in their regular foods and their diet. So working closely with dietitians has helped us create our own smoothie recipes and try to maximize their intake because a lot of times you're not very hungry. So even if you're not hungry, you can usually get down a few slurps of your smoothie, and that should give you a lot more than you would get otherwise. So then we're just going to blend this up. So the great thing about this recipe too, you'll see a lot of smoothie recipes using ice. And you notice I didn't use any ice. So when you use ice, yes, those smoothie recipes can be just as good. But if you're trying to save half of your smoothie for the rest of the day, you're going to come back and it's going to be all separated. So this type of recipe allows you to make a larger batch of smoothies and have it for even a day or two, and it'll still have the same consistency that you put it in the refrigerator at. So this is one of our preferred ones here at City of Hope, Phoenix. If you have any other ideas or you want to see some more videos, we're going to have more videos online making different types of smoothies with different types of actions. So please enjoy. Try this one at home. And if you see me, please let me know what you thought.